Welcome to today's video, where we'll be exploring the incredible world of green tea. From boosting your brain power to protecting your body against disease, the benefits of green tea are truly astonishing. Get ready to learn how this ancient beverage can transform your health and well-being, and discover why green tea is considered a superfood in the modern era. Let's dive in. 10 health benefits of green tea. 1. Antioxidant-rich. Green tea is high in antioxidants called catechins, which may help protect against cell damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 2. Weight loss. Green tea has been shown to aid in weight loss by increasing metabolism and fat burning. 3. Heart health. Regular consumption of green tea may lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. 4. Anti-inflammatory. Green tea has anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like arthritis and Alzheimer's. 5. Anti-cancer properties. Green tea has been shown to have anti-cancer properties, particularly in reducing the risk of breast, prostate, and colon cancers. 6. Improves brain function. Green tea contains an amino acid called L-theanine, which may help improve focus and concentration. 7. Lowers blood sugar. Green tea has been shown to lower blood sugar levels and may be beneficial for those with type 2 diabetes. 8. Improves skin health. Green tea's antioxidants may help protect the skin against damage and reduce the signs of aging. 9. Supports immune system. Green tea has been shown to boost the immune system and reduce the risk of infections. 10. May reduce risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Green tea's antioxidants and L-theanine may help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. Remember to consume green tea in moderation and in combination with a healthy diet and lifestyle to reap its benefits. Thanks for watching. We hope you now know more about the amazing benefits of green tea and how it can positively impact your life. Remember, a single cup a day can make a big difference. Subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. And don't forget to share this video with someone who could use a little green tea love. See you in the next video.